Putri Aryani, penyanyi asal Indonesia mendapat Golden Buzzer karena penampilannya di America's Got Talent. Golden Buzzer tergolong pencapaian yang sangat jarang diberikan di kompetisi pencarian bakat yang berlangsung di Amerika. Putri Aryani yang terlahir sebagai tunanetra mampu memikat penonton karena suaranya yang berpadu keindahan dan emosi pada audisi Selasa 6 Juni 2023. Video penampilannya menjadi viral menempati posisi pertama dalam trending di YouTube Indonesia. Putri menyanyikan lagu ciptaannya yang berjudul Loneliness yang telah dirilis sebulan lalu. Simon Cowell, salah seorang juri America's Got Talent, yang sangat kritis sampai menuju panggung setelah Putri selesai bernyanyi dan memintanya menyanyikan lagu kedua.
Hi Putri, this is Simon. This is Simon. Yeah. Her voice is amazing.
Yes.
And you have father.
Yes, I'm father.
Very nice to meet you.
Yes, to meet you.
Does Putri have a step in the song?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You want to sing for Pokemon?
Yeah.
Yeah. She want to sing for you. Yes, thank you.
I don't know whether this is going to make a difference or not. However,
he's standing up.
Sharp spirits wanna cut me down. I'm gonna send the flood, gonna drown the night. This is brave, this is bruised, this is who I'm meant to be. This is me.
amazing. You are, I think, one of the best singers we've ever had on our show.
Simon, can you say a little bit about why you pushed this Golden Buzzer?
Because she's brilliant.
Absolutely.
It's true. There's the gold. Yeah.
What a moment, kinda.
One more time for Putri Aryani.
I am blown away. And you're a great songwriter as well.
You make my dream come true.
You made my dreams come true.
This is who I'm meant to be. This is me.
Putri Aryani terlahir dengan nama Aryani Nisma Putri pada 31 Desember 2005. Sebenarnya tak asing dengan program yang dilahirkan Simon Cowell ini. Ia adalah pemenang Indonesia's Got Talent 2014. Putri pasangan Ismawan Kurnianto dan Reni Alfianti juga pernah membawakan lagu Song of Victory saat pembukaan Asian Para Games 2018 di Jakarta. Ia juga menjadi finalis The Voice Kids musim kedua.
I'm going to be singing and playing a piano.
Oh, you're going to be singing.
Yeah. My biggest challenge is people look at me just as a blind person, not as a musician. But when I'm singing, I feel like a superstar.
Tim Liputan melaporkan untuk Puja TV Aceh.